Gardyn Accessories Review, 10 Unique Additions for Your Indoor Garden. Welcome to Gardyn Indoor Gardening. Explore innovative indoor gardening with Gardyn's unique accessories. Designed to create a sustainable, enjoyable, and productive gardening experience. Discover how Gardyn can transform your indoor space into a flourishing green oasis. Gardyn Grow Lights. Provides full-spectrum light that mimics natural sunlight. Energy-efficient LED technology for year-round growth. Customizable light settings to support different plant needs. Enhances plant photosynthesis, leading to improved growth and yields. Gardyn Extension Kit. Expands gardening capacity with additional plant pods. Allows for cultivation of diverse herbs, vegetables, and flowers. Sleek design integrates seamlessly with existing garden system. Offers flexibility to experiment with different plant arrangements and layouts. Gardyn Seed Kit. Premium non-GMO seeds tailored for garden systems. Variety includes basil, mint, cherry tomatoes, kale, spinach, thyme. Rigorous quality control ensures high germination rates and bountiful harvests. Curated for compatibility with Gardyn's hydroponic setup. Gardyn Nutrient Kit. Specialized nutrient blend for optimal plant growth. Includes essential minerals, nitrogen, potassium, phosphorus, and micronutrients. Environmentally sustainable and minimizes waste. Supports vibrant colors, robust growth, and delicious flavors. Gardyn Watering Can. Ergonomic design with a precise spout for targeted watering. Ensures each plant pod receives the right moisture level. Room temperature water helps avoid plant shock. Essential for easy and accurate plant care. Gardyn Plant Pod Labels. Customizable labels to identify each plant variety. Made from durable materials to withstand indoor garden conditions. Adds a personalized touch and enhances organization. Maintains clear identification of plants for better tracking and care. Gardyn Plant Pod Covers. Enhances growth by creating a microclimate within the pod. Helps retain moisture and regulates sunlight exposure. Protects plants from temperature fluctuations for consistent growth. Seamlessly integrates into the garden system. Gardyn Support Cage. Adjustable support for taller plants at all growth stages. Ensures plant stability, preventing toppling or breakage. Promotes healthy growth by offering structural support. Essential for plants like tomatoes or other vertically growing plants. Gardyn Plant Pod Tray. Foundation for organizing plant pods within the garden system. Enables customized plant configurations to maximize space. Integrated watering system ensures consistent moisture levels. Simplifies plant maintenance, pruning, and harvesting. Gardyn Smartphone App. Monitors environmental conditions, growth, and nutrient levels in real time. Customized growing schedules and plant care tips. Seamlessly integrates with garden products for centralized control. Connects users to the garden community for support and advice. Conclusion. Transform your indoor gardening experience with Gardyn. Gardyn's accessories enhance the joy and ease of indoor gardening. From grow lights to nutrient kits, each item supports healthy plant growth. Easy-to-use app allows full control over your indoor garden anytime, anywhere. Start a sustainable, flavorful, and green journey with Gardyn. Thank you for joining us. We want to extend our heartfelt thanks to all our amazing viewers and subscribers. Your support means the world to us. Whether you've been with us from the beginning or just joined our community, we appreciate every like, comment, and share. We're dedicated to bringing you more inspiring content and exciting gardening tips to enhance your indoor gardening journey. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Together, let's continue to grow and cultivate our love for gardening. Happy gardening!